Hello guys, how are you guys? So today I have a 50 rand. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy the bonus and let's see what will happen in this bonus when we buy it. Let's hope today we're going to end with profit. Guys, I've been making mistakes when I get a profit, even if it's too small, but I didn't stop playing. So today let's hope this 50 rand we are going to turn it into something good. And thank you guys for watching. If you are a new member, please don't forget to smash the like button. So guys, let's hope for the best today. It's quite a while I was not playing. I'm playing on Hollywoodbet, and let me know how is it going in your side. If you are playing in Hollywoodbet, did you win? Are you guys winning, or am I the only one who is losing? But today I hope there will be a change or something must happen. Let's see if we can turn something into something. Okay, seems like it's still dead, guys. Okay, let's see what this hold for us, guys. This was our first bonus buy and it's not profiting us, but we know we are in the second level. All I know is that I'm in the second level, guys, and it is indeed a big win. We are only left with one, guys. I can't believe this. How many games? 2 games? No ways. Yo, we couldn't make it. And indeed it's a big win. We'll take that. So many fishes. If you are a new member, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will really appreciate your subscriptions, guys. Thank you guys for your support. All right, let's see what will happen here, guys. What's going on? Oh, nothing is happening. We're still on 37. This is not looking good, guys. It's not looking good at all. I'm playing this game around past 1. It's about to 1. No. This one was so dirty. Yeah, this one was a dirty. Let me just do an auto, guys, because I won't make it on. Let's hope something will come up. We don't know. I thought it's gonna be in there. I thought we were getting a bonus. The way it's playing, guys, is unpredictable. Like, you cannot predict it. I'm trying to predict if something can happen big, but it's not promising at all. But let's see. Alright guys, I tried to play it. Let me see if I can have something. Alright guys, I'm back again with a small amount of money. Let's see what will happen. I'm just gonna spin it. And maybe something good is gonna happen. Guys, it's now or whenever we are buying it. Alright guys, we try to play, you have seen it, so I'm gonna call it a day guys, and I'll catch you up in the next video. I have tried everything that I can. I thought maybe I will win, but I lost, so I think I'm going to really take a serious rest on Siren spell. So let me know what do you think guys, or maybe it's closer to time whereby it's gonna play. I've tried all the different types of playing. I've played during the day, I played at night, but I've lost a lot of money. Thank you guys for watching.